Looking for a way to display your deer antlers without the hassle of preserving the original skull? Mountain Mike's offers a realistic European deer skull mount that's both easy to assemble and impressively authentic. Whether you've harvested a buck or found shed antlers under 4 7/8 in diameter, this mount gives you a clean, natural look that fits perfectly in any home or cabin. What sets this mount apart is its design. 3D modeled from an actual deer skull to capture every detail accurately. The classic white finish mimics a bleached animal skull, giving your display a natural, timeless appeal. Plus, everything you need for a professional quality mount comes right in the box, so you won't have to hunt for extra parts or tools. It's made for simplicity without sacrificing style. One satisfied customer shared how easy it was to put together. They had 2 bucks they didn't want to shoulder mount, and this product made the process quick and mess-free. With just a little sanding on the antler bases and some optional staining to age the skull, they had a flawless display in minutes. Compared to traditional European mounts, this option is more affordable, less complicated, and cleaner. Ideal if you want a no-fuss way to show off your trophy. If you're weighing your options for mounting antlers, Mountain Mike's realistic deer skull mount is worth a look. It gives you a natural, eye-catching presentation without the stress of preserving real bone. Whether you're a seasoned hunter or just want a tasteful way to highlight your latest trophy, this mount delivers what you need with minimal effort. Ready to upgrade your trophy display? Try Mountain Mike's deer skull mount when you're ready to simplify your setup and still get that authentic, professional look. It's a smart choice for anyone who values quality, ease, and style in showcasing their hunting achievements.